Hey, creators and designers, in this video, we'll walk you through how to install FLUX.1 Kontext dev locally on your Windows PC with a one-click setup and show you how to unleash its powerful image editing features. Welcome to QQQ AI News, the ultimate tutorial on Flux.1 Kontext, the game-changing AI model for text-based image editing. Whether you're tweaking photos, restyling artwork, or editing text and images, Flux.1 Kontext has you covered. Let's dive in.
Ready, go!
Flux.1 Kontext, developed by Black Forest Labs, is a revolutionary multimodal AI model that combines text-to-image generation with precise, context-aware image editing. Unlike traditional tools that regenerate entire images, Flux.1 Kontext lets you make targeted changes, like swapping backgrounds, restyling images, or editing text, while keeping everything else intact. It's fast, intuitive, and perfect for creators, filmmakers, and designers. Today, we'll focus on the open-source dev version, which you can run locally on your own GPU for free, non-commercial use. Before we get started, let's check if your system is ready. Flux.1 Kontext DB is a model with 12 billion parameters, but today's tutorial will show you how to run Flux.1 Kontext even if you don't have a powerful GPU. The full model requires about 32 GB of video memory, but the nunchaku version requires about 7 GB. I'm using an RTX 3060. I hope that through today's tutorial on installing Kontext locally, everyone can use Kontext. We will use the nunchaku plugin today. Run the Kontext model in Comfy UI. Nunchaku has optimized the Kontext model, and the output image quality is very close to the original Kontext model. It should be noted that we need to download the nunchaku version of the Kontext model for this installation, not the official version of the model. I put the installation notes on the Patreon page. Everyone can watch this guide to install Kontext, which includes the plugins that need to be downloaded and the download links of the models needed to run Kontext. I also provide a one-click installation script for my members who support me, saving everyone time to figure out how to install the software. Of course, I will show you how to install Kontext manually. Next, I will demonstrate how to manually install the Kontext model. First, we need to download Comfy UI. Go to the Comfy UI official page and download the latest portable compressed version of Comfy UI. Download it to an empty folder and unzip it. At this point, Comfy UI is installed on your computer. However, you need to install two plugins to run the Kontext model. In this folder, we enter CMD to start the command window and copy the plugin installation code on the installation notes page. Paste it into the command window and press enter to install the plugin. This time, the Comfy Manage plugin is installed. Next, we need to install the nunchaku plugin. The same operation is required. We need to copy the plugin installation code on the installation notes page and paste it into the command window. At this point, we have downloaded the two plugins needed for this tutorial. Now we enter the nunchaku folder, enter CMD to open the command window, and we need to manually install the nunchaku plugin environment. Next, we need to download the models needed to run Kontext. First, we need to download the nunchaku version of the Kontext model. I have put the download link on the installation notes page. You can click on the model name to open the download page. After the model is downloaded, it needs to be placed in the specified folder in Comfy UI. I have put the model in the specified folder. I have listed the required models and the corresponding model paths on the installation notes page. As long as you refer to the page instructions of my installation notes, I believe you will download the model and put it in the right place. Though after the model is downloaded, we need to download a wheel file, which will be used later. Next, let's start Comfy UI. Comfy UI has been successfully started. We drag the wheel file we just downloaded to the Comfy UI interface, select the latest wheel version, and click Run to install the latest environment configuration of nunchaku. Finally, we need to restart Comfy UI to use Kontext. Now we have completed all the preparations for running Kontext. On my notes page, I have prepared the Kontext workflow file for you. You can download and place it in the Comfy UI interface to use the nunchaku version of Kontext. The speed and quality will satisfy you. How to use Kontext? Then I will demonstrate it to you. First, upload the picture we need to modify. I have uploaded the picture I want to modify today. Then enter the prompt words of how you want to modify the picture in the green text bar. For example, this time I want to modify the background of the picture. I entered it like this. Let's click Run to try. The first run needs to load the model, which takes a relatively long time. Let's take a look at the video memory usage when running the Kontext model. The actual situation is that the video memory usage is less than 7 GB. Are you surprised? What may surprise you is that our first image generation has been completed. Each time we modify the image, it only takes 34 seconds. Let's see how the generated image looks like. We can see by comparison that we have successfully modified the background. I will try again with another picture. I will re-upload a picture, then enter the prompt words for how to modify it and click the Run button. The second time the image is generated is faster than the first time. We can see the second time the image is generated. We compare it and the background has been replaced perfectly. Don't you want to have such a magical tool? We can use it easily in our work. Next, I will show you how to modify the objects in the image. After uploading the image, we enter the modification prompt in the text field. You can try it at will, and finally click the Generate button. The generation speed is very fast, and we can see the result immediately. I replaced the cheese in the picture with meat, and the generated picture did not feel out of place. Such a powerful effect is worth installing the context model. Are you excited about the fast context model? Wait, there is a faster way. I will show you briefly. That's it! You're now ready to install and master FLUE.1 Kontext of LU.1 Kontext of for incredible AI-powered image editing. From changing colors to creating cinematic visuals, the possibilities are endless. Download ComfyUI, try the workflows. Links to all resources are in the description.